So I know I haven't really updated anything in a very long time. You're gonna see in this video. I've just been working on shit and messing with people and calling it a day. But I got the flex fuel kit. I'm running about an E50 tune with Bootmod Stage 2, the multi-map, and I am going to be hooking up with, I want to say, CIA Performance to get a dyno and see exactly where this car's at, horsepower wise. In one of my previous videos, you've seen that I raced my brother's Tesla P90, and that thing was fast, but that was on 93 octane. Now that I'm running E50, it's so much faster. So I guess we'll find out. Just take a look at the video and tell me what you guys think. Thank you. Oh, side note, that level 410 in here on that audio pipe 1500 is stupid loud. I know the car doesn't show it, but it really is. It's very fucking loud in here, and it makes no sense on how deadened this car is. You don't hear anything on the outside, like, at all. But when you get inside, it feels completely different. And if anybody's old enough to remember all my audio videos, I don't bullshit when it comes to loud, and this thing's loud inside. It's actually surprising.
One of them bitches, been fucking one of my homeboys' favorite bitches. And it's been on the grab this biscuit, think he's playing. You better listen what he's saying, punk. Don't make me go pop the trunk.
I know I haven't really done an update, but I've done some shit to the car. CTS boost pipe, intake, turbo inlet, CTS Catless downpipe, ethanol sensor from Visconti. This is where I got it mounted in the car, so you can see everything. And then a full titanium exhaust from Tomei. Block off plate, made by Juan on Instagram. Got a DC audio level 4, 10 in there on an audio pipe 1500. Wiring looks like shit.
Everybody, get your roll on.